Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Mom Moors. I know it's been a few weeks, but we are in the beginning of December and we're still cranking out some work. So, good thing. Um, Today's episode is a Yazoo. I think that's what it's called, a Yazoo cutter. They're like a Chinese version of the Aramark. Um, I picked this up for $300. I think I overpaid on it. It needs a lot of work. But here goes the machine. And here's the machine. So this is a Yazoo cutter, 48-inch deck on it. And it is a Kawasaki engine. I don't know. Let's see here. I don't know what horsepower this is, but I got it started, and like you guys can see, she's in a rough shape, and it does bring the little stand that goes behind it. I did start it up, it was running, and then from the back of the engine I saw oil coming out, so I think the seal is bad. So I did pick up the seal. I've never done one of these seals on top, so bear with me. We're both gonna learn how to do it, I guess. All right, guys. So, tried a few things. I tried to put a self-tapping screw there. It kept going side to side. You do not want to damage this or the shaft. So, what I found that actually works is this. So you can pick one of these up, local auto parts store, and little by little, go easily, slowly, carefully. Make sure you do not hit this, and go around, just separating enough, and then from here, I'm gonna have a little pick and try to lift it up. So with the pick, I stuck it right in there on the side and gently bring it up. Yep. And it went flying. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna clean this up and we are gonna install the other seal. So you guys need to know that's the part number. And I picked this up from my guys in Pro Parts Direct. Within like 2 days, they already had it. They already had it here in my house. So amazing! Love Pro Parts Direct. There's a lot of stuff you can find. The diagrams actually help so much to see what you actually need. So look them up, guys, if you need parts. What's the sandpaper? We're gonna clean the shaft and we're gonna clean inside here. Make sure everything, all the debris out, nice and clean, so we can install the shaft. All right, so I cleaned it up and I put the seal right on there. Just be careful when you're pushing it down. I am using an 1.5 inch socket, which actually fits perfectly on the seal, on the metal seal right there. And I'm gonna lightly tap it down and it should be sealed up. All right, so you see the seal is in there perfectly fine. Went in there with no issues. I did lube this up just a bit and the inside. Make sure no burrows was on there, no nothing. It got in there nice and smooth. So while I have it out here, I'm gonna clean the coils off and reinstall everything, and hopefully it doesn't leak. So unfortunately, guys, I put the seal on and put everything back together, and it kept continuing to leak. Come to find out, the rings on the pistons, I guess the compression ring on the piston were no good, so that was creating too much pressure regardless. So unfortunately, the customer didn't want to take it any further from there. They just paid the bill, and I guess they were selling the machine. So sometimes you have you good, and sometimes you have you bad, you know. But
It is what it is.